Hi, today we're going to talk about removing the CPU. So a lot of the newer computers will have a heat sink fan right on top of it. This is a case cooling fan that sits over the top of the heat sink. We're going to go ahead and we've already unplugged all the peripheral plugs from the power supply. This case fan, we'll go ahead and unplug that to let it release. We'll slide our motherboard out. This particular CPU, this is older. It has these clips that hold the heat sink on these clips. I'm sorry, I'm looking for a release. Is there a release on that? Oh, I'm sorry. Yep.
You want me to start it over?
Nope. I don't see how that works. Oh, there we go. Okay. So that's the heat sink, and you can see where there is thermal compound in the back. That helps it make a nice tight contact with your heat sink. And then this is your processor. This is the brains of the computer right here, and this one has a particular lock on it. You lift this lever up. It has a little plastic tab that sits underneath, and you pull it out and up. And it's called a ZIF. It's a zero inversion processor. I'm going to go ahead and gently pull it out and turn it over so you can see the pin array. This particular one is a standard pin grid array, and ZIF means that it's zero inversion. You basically just drop it in, and then this actually slides. If you watch this, it'll slide over. Anyways, we'll go ahead and put that back in. A lot of times what you want to do is look for the triangle at the corner, and if you look at your socket, it'll have that same symbol or a staggered pin. They're not, I'm sorry, not staggered, but the pin assembly on it. And basically, you don't want to force this in. You want to just drop it in, and it just dropped in. And then lock it back down. Set your heat sink back on. It'll snap into place. There's all different kinds of applications. If you do upgrade your motherboard and you do have a different type of heat sink with a fan, the instructions should indicate how that locks in. Then basically you just put your keepers back in to lock it back down. There's three types of CPUs. Basically that's that.